Hello, Azia Andy, Iba May. Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Western Zaymi language.
Zaymi kwa.
The Zaymi language, spoken by the Zaymi Naga tribe in the Mahasao in Assam and parts of Nagaland and Manipur, has its roots in the Sino-Tibetan language family, specifically under the Zemaic sub-branch. In the Mahasao, it is spoken exclusively by the Zemay Naga people, particularly in the central and western regions of the district. The language developed locally through centuries of oral tradition, storytelling, and ritual use, shaped by the geographic isolation of the Barail Hills. It remains unwritten until the mid-20th century, when Christian missionaries introduced the Roman script, resulting in Bible translations, hymns, and informal schooling materials. Today, Zaymi is actively used in rural homes, churches, and cultural events, although it faces pressure from Assamese, Hindi, and English in urban areas. Preservation efforts by the Zaymi Literature Committee and community organizations focus on promoting literacy, publishing materials, and keeping the language vibrant through festivals and early education. The Zaymi Nagas are among the earliest tribal communities of the Mahasao, believed to have migrated from Makhel in present-day Manipur several centuries ago. After settling across the Barail mountain range, they established villages in places like Hangrum, Mahur, and Haflong. Traditionally organized around village councils or pay, the Zaymi maintain a rich cultural life rooted in seasonal festivals such as Saga, agricultural ceremonies, and oral storytelling. The advent of Christianity introduced new educational and religious practices, blending with existing customs. Today, the Zaymi continue to uphold their distinct identity through language, traditional dances, attire, and active community efforts to preserve their heritage in the face of modernization and linguistic shift. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language. Numbers.
Kat, kana, katum, mitai, minyo, sarup, sana, dasat, sakui, kara.
Greetings and phrases.
Ibam May, ibam na nang se, ting zo ma I, mangi noi, hegi ma I, nang zi tau lo, azia, nang go gabam lo, ilong mang gabam le, nang zi ma kwa chi me, chi ma, nang zu hung le, nang zun rai le, tak teu lu me, teu lu da.
Vocabulary.
I, nang, pa, anui, penui, aida, uida, aiga, uiga, apau, apui, apau, apai, anai, apau, asipau, asipui, misima, akinapau, akinapui, anarangpau, analumpui, akangma, zeminama, harangma, hello ma, hello, mi ba, mi pi, mi zo, mi mik, mi bung pui, zai, mi guang, mi tai, mi zi, haraki, hang sao ki, lo si ki, haro ki, kabak, katum, kabui, hapwa, hati, ndrui pui, haka, gi ba, ha ba, tik ba, kanzai ba, kanzin ba, tingkai, hadui, hami, pau mi, pui mi, mikong ma, kagatai ma, mikun, minau, mi mui, mi gau, mi pai, hatam, mi pi, hatai, miao na, mali, hakun, gongte, Radi, Gunda, Haza, Mapa, Hanam, Hanam Ro, Haku, Hazat, Sungak, Pabia, Hagum, Hakao, Kana, Saki, Gimi, Tabaimpi, Ndray, Hingyo, Nkongma, Nrayma, Nrayzema, Nkongzema, Zema, Roma, Liama, Ngama, Rasoma, Atiba, Pere, Gadailo, ra, iso, heli, helu, hazau, machi, hazay, ting say ba, ting ba ba, mui giờ, bikao, pating kum, kare, hegay ba, katak, ria, hanay lima, tingim, ge na, i ba, siya ba, kadoy ba, harikanji ba, halim, hata, karima, hame ba, timpiang ba, harachi, ngam, haki, kagaichi, mpuiki, tingragi ba, sangprangi ba, tingraha ba, sangprangha ba, kabel, haram, tingpay, tingrun, naimik kembya, naimik pambya, sangma, rangchi, hingbang, sairama, kanchingma, hachiao, naimik, hekau, kadaipum, hegi.
The Lord's Prayer.
Amni pe, tingim ko bam pe, ning zi pe inchi lo, ning rom pe wang ke lo, ning si na tingim ka tagum sa, kadai ka pe zata lo. Amni pating nai song na ta ra pe lo, amni za ka siya tam za, amni za lungum za, amni za lun lo, amni za doi rab gyang o gai sa lo, ka na ka siya ba na amni za ndri pa ka lo, ka gong ba ra si chi ba, pinyang di ba, tun mak pa, ning ko da sa. Amen.